重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this is Robin Zhen Zhongwei with a song called Si Gui Go, which means the season song. And he sings about the 4 seasons, the tongue blossom in spring, eating watermelon in summer, tasting dried persimmons in autumn, and enjoying Tangkan oranges in winter. So let's enjoy the 4 seasons with Si Gui Go.
春天愛最好睇阿婆去散步，行到台山背건통髮，頭髮拍拍將將開到滿山邊，看到眼睛睛哦，羅梅那頭髮插耳空孫，阿姐翕相做紀念，阿珍白眉坐在花樹下，雪彩冬天去。熱天愛最好聽阿公坐在木頭，是阿妹買轉來個西瓜，西瓜甜妙多水，雪彩冬後雪雪多嗒嗒跌落，露台搭茶卜走來走去，阿哥彈吉他唱歌，阿爸阿叔泡茶打醉鼓，雪彩冬先去。秋天愛最好睇阿妹女的幸福，是塗曬好嘴氣感起病，起病又甜又 Q， 雪彩冬後雪雪多每天每有，阿 Q 那條病海前條，Q 妹都改變天數，風水用法繞起用法咯，雪彩冬先去。冷天愛最好睇阿爸熱感染講，燃燃滴滴解結碰同感，結碰又香又甜，同感染又酸，雪多莫見見無，阿爸扎嘅感啊熱落落，阿妹開嘴笑咪咪，滿樹吹吹調調，該幹麼雪彩冬先去。
这是曾仲伟的《西归狗》四季歌，它应用着鼓、牛铃、木琴还有吉他来营造拉丁的一个气氛，然后唱出我们四季的情境。希望你们都喜欢。Another song right here on ICRT in Hakka. Hope you enjoyed it. All about the 4 seasons. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.